A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. If you're looking to switch your phone number from Telus to Fido, follow these steps to make the process smooth and hassle-free. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before you start the porting process, ensure that your Telus account is active and in good standing. You should also verify that your number is eligible for porting. Step 2. Gather information. Collect all necessary information, including your Telus account number, the phone number you want to port, and any PIN or password associated with your account. This information is crucial for a successful transfer. Step 3. Visit Fido's website or store. Go to Fido's website or visit a local store to initiate the porting process. If you're online, look for the option to transfer your number during the sign-up process. Step 4. Complete the porting request. Fill out the necessary forms with the information you gathered. Make sure to double-check for any typos, as errors can delay the process. For example, entering the wrong account number can lead to a rejection of your request. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request, you will receive a confirmation email or message from Fido. The porting process usually takes a few hours, but it can take up to a day in some cases. Keep an eye on your email for updates. Switching your number can be a bit daunting, but following these steps should make it easier. Good luck with your new Fido service.